Hi guys, this week I reviewed the $1,000,000 Tan Cabana Tan. And overall we gave this product 2.75 out of 5 stars, which is a little bit above average but not great. I got this product for $32 plus $7 for shipping, so total it was around $40 for an 8-ounce bottle, which isn't too bad. It's about average, not too expensive but not super cheap either. And it comes in a pump bottle, which I really like. I like pump bottles. They're easy and not very messy. But to me, this bottle was a little cheap. It just came in a plain white bottle, and you can tell there's a sticker on it with the label. And the look of this product when it came out of the bottle, it comes out exactly like a plain white lotion was, very thick. And it doesn't smell very good. As soon as it comes out of the bottle, you can smell the DHA, and it's actually pretty strong. And the smell does kind of stick with you as when you do wash it off. It kind of comes back. When I started working out, the smell came back. So I didn't like that at all about this product. And putting it on wasn't exactly the easiest thing to do either. You'd think it'd go on like a normal lotion, which would be easy, but this does take a while to absorb into your skin. So I was standing there rubbing it in for quite a few minutes, maybe 5 to 10. It was white until it finally dissolved into my skin. So it did take a while to absorb into your skin, which I thought was a little annoying. The drying time was average, or maybe a little more than average. It did take about 30 to 40 minutes total till you couldn't feel it on your skin at all. But putting it on isn't very messy, but like I said, it does take a while to absorb into your skin, so it's not the easiest application, I'd say. And as far as the color produced for this product, it's a very nice, even light color. A lot of the girls around here liked the color because it was a light, even tan. To me, it was a little too light. I like my tan a little darker, but if you're looking for a nice light glow, this product definitely gives that to you. It doesn't last a long time. It lasts probably about 3 to 5 days, which is about average. The nice thing about this product, though, is it doesn't get on your sheets at all because there is no guide in it. When it comes out, it's white, so there's no guide in it. So it doesn't get on your sheets. But it depends if you like the guide for putting it on, like I do. I like knowing where my self tanner is going. This one goes on more like a lotion. And another cool thing about this product is it did come with very cute packaging. It came in this pink envelope, which I like. I thought it was a cute way to send it. And so overall, this product was okay. Like I said, we gave it a 2.75 stars. But for more information on this product, as well as many others, visit our social media sites on Facebook and Twitter and selftanning.com.